Hello and welcome back. I'm glad you're still with me. So in our last video, we talked about that there are 4 steps that every good reader does. And they were, let's quickly review, look at and understand the title, look at charts and graphs and pictures, look up unknown words, and then make a prediction. So now we're going to do that with a story that we're actually going to be exploring more this week. So you can see our title is called Marigolds by Eugenia Collier. So I need to think about that. What is a marigold? If I don't know, I might ask myself, is it a good thing? Is it a bad thing? So we're going to kind of jump ahead and we're going to look at what marigolds look like. And it pulled up the short story, but I'm just going to look at the image. Okay, so that's what a marigold is. We know it's a flower. We know it's an orange and yellow flower. It's something we've seen. That might not tell us what this story is about, but we can go ahead and have that image in our minds. Now, I've provided 3 different pictures for you. Let's look at them larger. We've got the marigolds here. We've got this really old, broken down house. And we've got someone who's really sad looking, like their heart is broken. So I'm going to notice several different things here. These 2 pictures here, to me, look really sad. Like this house looks like it's falling down, like it's not going to make it. And then this poor person, they're crying, they look sad. But then over here, we have these beautiful flowers that just look gorgeous. So there's a difference between the beautiful, gorgeous, lovely marigolds and kind of the desolation and sadness in this picture. So let's think about that feeling these pictures give us. And we're going to look up some unknown words. I chose 5 words: dust, arid, dry, brilliant splash. So remember, what is our best friend? Google Translate. So I'm going to put it in Spanish, dust, polvo. And we're going to do it in Swahili too, because it's my second most common language in our class, vumbi. Okay, so we know that there's going to be a lot of dust in this story, and there's even a picture of it, a lot of dirt, things like that. Let's see what our second word is. Arid. I'll look it up in Spanish first. Arida. Kame. So something very dry, something like desert. There's no life there. Oh, dry is our next word. Seca or seco. Avu. And then our last one, I remember it. I'm not going to have to go back. Brilliant. Kapaji. So something bright, something amazing. And let me brillante. And they even have pictures of diamonds, bright things, right? So just like in our pictures, we have a lot of negative things like dry and dusty and dirty kind of, but then we have like brilliant, beautiful splash of color, kind of like here. Now I'm going to make a prediction. Let's look at how I do that. When you make a prediction, it's what you observe, so what I can see, plus what I can guess. So I could see that this is going to be about flowers, that there's going to be a lot of maybe sadness in this story, but there might be a little bit of happiness too. So I'm going to say I can infer that this story will be about a challenge that somebody overcomes and a way to get through a difficult time. That's what I think it's going to be about. Am I right? I don't know. I haven't read the story yet, but I'll find out if I'm right. So it doesn't matter if you're 100% correct. It just matters that you try. Thank you, and we'll keep reading.